In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your Android device as a second monitor for your PC. I would recommend you use an Android tablet because it has a bigger screen compared to an Android phone. But well, it's the same process. So if you have an Android tablet, just follow the process that I'll be showing you in this video. Okay, so I'm going to keep the phone for now. We'll have to use the PC first. You need to head over to the Microsoft Store, click on this search bar, and search for GlideX. So this is the app over here. Click on it and click Get to start the installation process. So while it is downloading on the PC, on your phone, head over to the Play Store, tap the search button down here twice, and then search for GlideX. So this is it. I already have it installed. I'm going to uninstall it so that you can do the whole setup process. So I'll tap install. Okay, so it is done installing on my phone, but still installing on the PC. So let's just set up the phone, and after it is done on the PC, we'll switch to it. Okay, so I'll tap open to open the app. And you don't have to sign in or anything like that. Just tap I agree, tap here, and then tap OK to start giving it, to start granting permissions. So tap allow. You can also tap allow for notifications. I'll recommend you do so. And for now, that's it. So let's just wait for the PC to get done installing. Okay, I had to restart my PC because I was having an error when I tried to open the software, but let's see if it works now. Okay, so it works. If you're having any errors after installing it, just restart your PC. I believe it's because I uninstalled the app. That's why I was getting the errors. Okay, so after opening the app, click next. Click I understand. Click yes. It just needs to do some updates. Okay, so it is done updating. I'll click confirm and then I'll click next. Okay, so I'm going to maximize this. It already has my device because I tested this before, but your device will be out here. As long as your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, like your PC and your Android device are on the same Wi-Fi network, then it's going to list it over here, as long as the app is opened on both devices. So what you want to do now is click on this one, click on your device, and then click extend. Okay, so on the phone you will get this request. All you need to do is tap accept, and that's basically all. So I'm going to keep the phone over here. If you're using a tablet, I would recommend you get a stand for it so that you can see what you're doing. All right, so to show you that this works, you can see the mouse on the PC. If I scroll to the right, all the way to the right, you'll see it will get into my phone. And if I keep scrolling, you can see that it gets to the edge of my phone. So now it's like I have two monitors. Now if I scroll to the left, you'll see that the mouse is back to the screen. Now what I'll do is I'll minimize this as well. Instead of minimizing it, what I'll do is I'll drag this to the next screen. So as you can see, it is entering my device, like my phone, as a different screen. So now I can put it here if I want, or I can bring it back here if I want. So this acts as a second monitor on my PC. And just so you know, you can also use your phone to control the PC. You don't have to always use a mouse. Don't forget, sometimes your mouse may get lost. So if you're not seeing your mouse on the PC, just drag it all the way to the left and you should see it. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to stop the process, but I believe you understand how it works now. Oh, I dragged this software onto my phone, so I'm not able to access it from the PC. So let's bring it back. Okay, so from here I'll be able to stop it. Okay, to stop it, you can tap on this X button over here and it's going to stop. Or you can do it from the PC. So let's do it from the PC. So from the PC, just go to extend and click on this icon over here. and that's it. You can see now it has stopped working. Okay, so that's how you do it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips like this. I'll see you in the next video. Ask me any questions you may have. Take care and bye bye.